Hey guys, today I'll be making some Rasta pasta. I've been seeing this recipe all over TikTok and I really had to try it. It seems pretty easy to make. All you really need is chicken breast, Parmesan cheese, your 3 bell peppers, heavy whipping cream, a mixture of cheese, onion, garlic, butter, garlic powder, paprika, and your noodles. So first I went ahead and washed my chicken and chopped them in small pieces. I seasoned it with some garlic powder, some paprika, black pepper, and I also added the jerk seasoning. It's pre-made, I bought it from the store, and with the jerk seasoning I got the spiciest flavor that they had, so I didn't add too much jerk seasoning into it because towards the end I'm going to add some more jerk seasoning into the liquid mixture once it's on the pot. So I went ahead and just seasoned my meat with those 4 ingredients: garlic powder, paprika, jerk seasoning, and some black pepper. I'm going to mix that in so that all the chicken are evenly seasoned. Once we have that seasoned, we're going to go ahead and add some oil to our frying pot and we're going to cook our chicken breast down. I can't remember exactly how long I cooked the chicken breast for, but I just cooked it until the chicken breast looked cooked thoroughly. And then once that's done being cooked, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken to a separate container, and then we're going to go ahead and prep our vegetables, our red, green, and gold bell peppers, and we have some onions, some garlic, and I have 3 or 4 pieces of butter. I'm going to add all that into the same pot that we just fried our chicken in. So with the butter, I just need a little bit more moisture, but I didn't want to add more oil, so I'm just going to go ahead and saute the vegetables down in some butter. I'm not going to saute it for too long, just until the bell peppers just are a little bit softer. Once our vegetables have sauteed to our liking, we're going to start adding our heavy whipping cream. You can add as much whipping cream as you need based on how much pasta you're making. I just started adding, and I gradually added as I needed more, or if I needed more, I just added a little bit more. I seasoned my pot also. I added some salt, some black pepper, some garlic powder, and some paprika, and let that cook down for a little bit as well. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our shredded cheese. And when you add your shredded cheese, my advice is to just stir your pot because cheese is so easy to stick to the bottom of the pot. So you just want to make sure you're stirring as you add and make sure there's no lumps or there's no stickage at the bottom. So just stir as you go. And while you're doing that, I went ahead and add my Parmesan cheese, and I did the same thing. Mix, mix, mix. Make sure nothing is sticking to the bottom of the pot. Then I added my pasta, and it wanted to be difficult and all fall out the pot at the same time. So I just went ahead and for a little while, all I did was just fold the sauce into the pasta. Once that's all mixed in, we're going to go ahead and add our chicken back to the pot, and then we're going to mix that in again just so that everything is covered by the sauce. Towards the end, all I did was just add a little bit more paprika to the pot. I mixed that in and I let that sit on the stove for a little while. And then we have our rasta pasta, the nice yellow color, our bell peppers. It looks delicious and it tastes delicious. Here's my dad enjoying it. I hope you enjoy this recipe and I hope you'll try it and let me know how it goes. Enjoy.